Welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Check if you don't know anything, go smash that like button, and if you have yet to subscribe, please remember to do so. As a matter of fact, do so right now. Jumping right in. Now, 76 million US is to be spent for the National Stadium modernization. Trackies, in our opinion, this is a long time in coming. Now, it is said that the 60-year structure is under the Jamaica 60 Legacy Program, which will focus on building the country's infrastructure. It further goes on to say that the National Stadium, which was built in 1962, no longer meets international standards, and at this particular point, the upgrade is necessary. Now, track is this development will see an increase in the seating capacity between 35,000 and 40,000. As well, the 500-meter cycle track that borders the running track inside the stadium will be replaced by a modern 250-meter velodrome. Track is, in our opinion, the upgrade of the National Stadium is something that has been long awaited, and we can't wait to see this actually come to fruition. Now, we've actually heard talks of upgrades before, but we're hoping that this time around it can actually start and we will be able to see some progress, and of course the infrastructure be upgraded. Now, trackies, we've also seen where Jamaica has indicated its intention to possibly host a world championship at the senior level or the junior level. But of course, we were shut down because our infrastructure is outdated. So hopefully we can finally see the infrastructure upgraded and we can finally have a world senior championships yeah, just think about the boost the economy would get from hosting such a world games. Anyway, trackies, sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Are you happy about this development? Sound off. And as usual, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you've yet to do so. I'll catch you in another one.